So it's been like January since we last saw CM Punk compete in a Royal Rumble match. But as per a report by Dave Meltzer of the Wrestling Observer newsletter, it was reported that CM Punk is expected to return at SummerSlam. So it's not that far away if he recovers from his arm injury. He might make it to SummerSlam as Dave Meltzer said. But if that happens, if he might return at SummerSlam, we are going to get the best feud in modern WWE history. We are going to get, if this happens, if CM Punk might return at SummerSlam, he will be feuding with Drew McIntyre. Now, as we all know, this feud between CM Punk and Drew McIntyre has been going on since WrestleMania, since April last month. It's been, obviously, Drew McIntyre has been obsessed with CM Punk for costing him the World Heavyweight Championship for 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Like 5 minutes and 45 seconds is that the time that Drew McIntyre won the World Heavyweight Championship from Seth Rollins, and then Damien Priest comes along cashing Money in the Bank. So yes, this obsession with CM Punk by Drew McIntyre is one of the best feuds in modern WWE history. Now yes, if this happens, WWE will book CM Punk versus Drew McIntyre to get this over with, to get this feud be over. But it cannot be over unless CM Punk is cleared from his injury. Now it's not that far away from CM Punk healing from his injury. You gotta remember, Drew McIntyre prayed for CM Punk to get injured at the Royal Rumble. And then CM Punk gets a payback after Drew McIntyre wins the World Championship from Seth Rollins at the Royal Rumble. CM Punk flipped Drew McIntyre off the table and injured Drew McIntyre's elbow. So all bets are even. Drew McIntyre prayed CM Punk to get injured, and now CM Punk gets a payback from hurting Drew McIntyre's elbow, which is definitely good to put these two at SummerSlam, and I can't wait for that. We are waiting for CM Punk to return, okay? We are waiting for CM Punk to return at SummerSlam so we can scream, "It's clobbering time!"